How to create new booking. Go to Facility and Booking tab. Then navigate to Booking option. Click on Add Booking. Enter facility type. Facility. Select customer or member. And select booking date. Then click on Save button. Booking details get saved and listed on listing page. Select View Booking option. Then if you want to confirm the booking, then click on Confirm Booking. Otherwise click on Cancel Booking option. Now go to Facility and Booking tab. Then click on Booking Calendar Daily View option. Click on New Booking. Enter facility type. Facility. Select customer or member. And enter booking date. Booking details gets listed on listing page. Select View Booking option. Then click on Assign User. Select User and click on Save. Then go to Booking Details and Generate Bill. Click on Generate Invoice and confirm booking. How to create